Hi folks, Richard Roberts from Cogswell Collision Center. Did you know we've been repairing all makes and models of vehicles for 65?
She's calling her insurance company. When you have to call yours, make sure you request Cogswell Collision Center so you don't end up with a mechanic like this.
With over 20,000 square feet of shop space consisting of highly trained technicians and state-of-the-art equipment, we invest the latest technology to assure everything from paint color to electronic components are matched and repaired correctly. Our experienced technicians are ICAR Gold Class trained and certified, using the latest technology in collision repair. Crushed fenders, broken windshields, bent frames, and dented doors are brought back to life. Again, don't choose this guy. Choose Cogswell Collision Center, located at 300 South Sydney.